Are you experiencing frustrating voice chat issues on your PS5? Let's dive in and troubleshoot those audio hiccups. Begin by checking your connections and ensure your headset or microphone is firmly plugged into the controller's audio jack. If you're using a USB microphone, confirm it's securely connected to your PS5's USB port. Loose connections are often the source of the problem. Next, let's delve into the PS5 settings. Navigate to the settings menu, identified by a gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select sound. Within the sound settings, choose microphone. Here, you'll find essential microphone configuration options. Ensure the correct input device is selected from the drop-down, probably your headset or the DualSense controller's microphone. Verify that your microphone isn't muted. Check for a mute button on your headset or in the PS5 settings, and ensure it's deactivated. Adjust the microphone input levels if your teammates can't hear you clearly. Also, in this menu, ensure your output device is set to what you want your audio to output through. Now, test your microphone. You can use the PS5's microphone test tool or join a party with friends. Create a party using your controller menu and speak to check your audio. This lets you immediately verify if the issue is resolved. Still having trouble? Test with a different microphone if possible. Try swapping to a different headset or USB microphone to isolate the issue. If a different microphone works, the problem lies with your original device.